What's the meaning of butty? Butty. Butty.
Butty. Butty. Butty is a British English slang term that refers to a sandwich, typically containing a filling of meat, cheese, or other savory ingredients. The term is believed to have originated in the coal mines of northern England, where workers would bring their own packed lunches consisting of bread and fillings such as bacon, sausage, or cheese. Today, the term is still widely used throughout the UK and is often associated with informal meals such as picnics or outdoor gatherings. A butty can be made with a variety of ingredients and is often customized to suit individual tastes and preferences.